Aloha and good morning, crafty friends. It's Tiffany. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful start to your Monday. I know I've been running around crazy since I woke up. I woke up about 5:30 this morning, and it's been go 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 until now. I finally have a little break. Everybody's out of the house. My husband went to work. I dropped my daughter off to school. My son went to his adult daycare program. So it's just me and my doggy Kona, and he's out there just looking at me. So I thought, okay, let me go ahead and work on this video. And this video is for Beebeecrafts. They were kind enough to reach out to me, and they wanted me to go ahead and, test their products and, do some project shares with some products that they allowed me to choose. So I just wanted to come on and show you what I got, because I just received my package about a week ago. I'm a little behind, but I did want to go ahead and get this video out of the way so I can go ahead and make my projects. So the first thing I wanted to share, what I picked out, was this die set here, and I thought this is really cute. This die set comes with like this present box die, which has all these details here. You got the hearts that cut out, and then these little the scrolls, or like the vines, or whatever you want to call it, the curly cues. And so that's the present. But what I really liked was this here. So I love, like, I don't have any like nesting balloon sets, I don't think. And so I thought this was a great size, and you have all these different shaped balloons. And so see, you have the cute little teddy bear, and then you have the traditional balloon, and then you have a heart balloon and the star, and then you have the strings to go along with it, and like the curly cue. I don't know if that says anything. That might say love, I think. Yes, and then this word die here, which says happy birthday. So I'm really excited to work with this set. I do have a lot of plans for it. I've been thinking about it, and so I really, really love this set. So that's the first set. The second item that I picked out were these bows here, and this comes in a set. It's not individual. When you purchase it, you get all of this. And so with this here, you get like the small, medium, and large bows. These are like the basic bows, and these small ones are really cute for those cute little small die cuts. If you have like cute little teddy bears, or like snowmen, anything, cute little ghosts, dies for Halloween. That's a good size, because usually my bows are at least this big here. So these two sizes are gonna work out great. One, two, or there's 4 sizes. 1, 2, 3, 4. So yeah, the smaller ones I will definitely make good use out of, because I don't have too many 3D like bow dies. If I do have small dies, like bow dies, they're flat. And so I really like this set here. This one is kind of like a double loop bow. You have the round scalloped bow, and then I guess this is a layering piece. And then you have the tail, and then the center. So that makes for a good size bow as well. You have this one here. These are like the size bows that I normally have, but I like this one because it has a scalloped edge, and even the tails are scalloped. And then you have the centers, which I don't know if it's 2 different centers, or maybe you can layer the center. So that one is really pretty. And then you have this one here, the double bow, or the double loop bow, which I like that. So yeah, so this is a really good deal, because you get all these different bows to work with. You can just have this set out, and you can make so many projects with it. So that's for the dies. And then I also picked out this cute, super cute gingerbread set. These resin sets, and they look like they're baked, like the color, like they're cookies. And I love gingerbread man, gingerbread girl. I love working with gingerbread with my projects, for my projects, I should say. My house for Christmas is always Candyland / gingerbread. It's on hot cocoa theme. So it's all the sweets. We love sweets. And so let's see here. I just kind of want to share the different designs that come in this set. And I know there's one more. I thought there was one more anyway. Maybe not. So I think this is it. So these are the, oh here, this one here. So look how cute. So you get the cookies and the cute little gingerbread girl and the gingerbread boy, and this is a cute little gingerbread person as well. And yeah, you get the snowflake cookies, the star cookies, and then you got, yeah, like these, I don't know, like shortbread type of cookie or like a sandwich cookie. The gingerbread person, and then the tree. And then you have these here. And then the cute people. I thought this was adorable. So this I love because you get a lot, and it comes in this case, so you don't have to worry about finding a, you know, storage for it, because it already comes in its own storage. So I got that. And last but not least, I also picked up this these are wooden stars. They're wooden star beads. And again, I love it because they come in their own case and they're already organized by color. And this is what they look like. And so you see the hole. So you can use it as a bead, or, you know, use it in your projects. And so I'm not going to use it as a bead. I have a different way I'm going to use them, what I have in mind. And so y'all will see that in the near future once I start creating my projects. But you get them in white, pink, like a navy blue, like this brownish color, black, yellow, this maroon color or red, deep red, and green. And then this is like the blue here. So yeah, so I really think these are super cute, and I love the size. They're cute and they're perfect. Not too big and not too small. So I'm definitely going to use those in a lot of my upcoming projects. But yeah, so I just wanted to come on and say that these are super cute in person. I really love what I chose. I want to thank Beebeecraft for allowing me to work with these with their products. Again, I will start working on my projects, and they will be shown in future videos in the near future. I will start probably working on them probably this weekend. So I'll have a link down below to their website, and there is a discount coupon code if y'all want to use that, or if you like anything you saw here, you know, go ahead and check them out. Other than that, I hope you all have a fabulous Monday. Stay crafty, and I will see you all soon. Bye.